hope you enjoyed the part 1 of this video, the 15 common and dangerous electrical mistakes. Hello wonderful people, you're welcome back to this channel. In today's video I want to continue from where we stopped. In our previous video we looked at the 15 common and dangerous electrical mistakes people make unknowingly, especially the non-electricians. So today, whether you are an electrician or a regular user of electric, don't say I am not an electrician, I don't need this knowledge. For the fact that you make use of electricity at home, at office, or any other place, that is why you need to grab this knowledge. Knowledge, they say, is power. So whatever it is, I want to tell you, I want to encourage you to grab this knowledge. Make sure you don't skip any part of this knowledge, because we are going to open up to you, we are going to show you some of the secrets that may expose you to electrical dangers. So I know this knowledge will help you a lot, because knowledge to things like this will help you even in the future to run away from electrical hazard. You and I know that electricity doesn't forgive mistakes. So today we are going to look at these following mistakes. So come with me. Number 8, we are going to look at number 8, which is overcrowding the DB with conduit pipes. Overcrowding the DB with conduit pipes, we are going to look at it. Number 9 is not saving the vital part of the distribution board or your consumer unit while the installation is going on. During installation, you need to save the vital part of the DB. Number 10 is not considering the standard height for the DB during installation. We are going to look at the standard height. Not considering the standard height is a mistake. Number 11 is not minding whether your conduit bends are sharp or not. So not minding whether the conduit bends are sharp or not, it is a mistake. It's an electrical mistake, especially for electricians. Number 12 is exceeding more than 2 right angle bends. When you are doing your installation, the installation of the conduit pipes, exceeding more than 2 right angle bends, it is not right. The 13th mistake is not using lubricant during cable pulling or during your wire fishing. No, number 14 is not cutting cable twisted ends immediately after fishing your cables or your wires. Then the last but not the least is hiding cable joint inside your conduit pipes during wiring. So these are the things we are going to be looking at in this part 2 of our video. So in the first one, we are going to look at overcrowding the DB with conduit pipes. Overcrowding the DB with conduit pipe is not just a mess. It is a safety hazard that can increase the heat. The DB will be heated over time. It will be heated with time, and this can increase the risk of